Today we are going to show you how to make this beautiful transition in Microsoft PowerPoint. So if you want to be an expert, watch the video till the end. Let's begin the topic. This is a new Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Let me go to Insert, go to Shapes, pick a hexagon shape, hold the Shift key and drag it over here like this. Go to Shape Outline, make it no outline. Press Ctrl D to make it duplicate and place it here like this. Again press Ctrl D to make it duplicate and place it here. Press Ctrl D to make it duplicate and place it here like this. Press Ctrl D to make it duplicate and place it here. Press Ctrl D to make it duplicate and place it like this. Now press Ctrl A to select all and press Ctrl G to group them together. Now hold the Shift key and resize it and place it here like this, and press Ctrl D to make it duplicate and place it here. Press Ctrl D to make it duplicate. Again press Ctrl D to make it duplicate and place it. Let me zoom out. Press Ctrl D to make it duplicate and place it here. Now select all of these shapes. Press Ctrl G to group them together and resize it. Holding the Shift key and resize it and place it like this. Go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a rectangle shape and drag it over here like this. Go to Shape Outline, make it no outline. Go to Shape Effect, go to Bevel, click on this Bevel. Click on right button, go to Format Shape, go to 3D Format and change the width to 8%, change the height to 8%. Then click on this, go to Format Shape, go to Picture or Texture Fill, go to Insert, from File, select the picture, click on Insert and change the transparency to 71%. Now select this hexagon shape. Let me click on right button and bring to front and resize it. Click on right button, go to Format Shape, go to Picture or Texture Fill, Insert, from File, select the file from here and change the transparency to 0%. Now let me go to Shape, click on the text box and write here Sunshine. Make it bold and make it bigger and make it white color. Go to Shape Format, Text Outline, click on this outline. Actually write here sunrise. Make it text shadow. Again go to Insert, Shape, Text box and write some text here. Here I am writing this text here. Make it justified. You may change the text color from here. Now let me click on this shape, press Ctrl D to make it duplicate and resize it with the full shape. And let me click on right button and send it to back. Now I have to add some animation. Let me click on the right button, click on duplicate slide and go to the first slide. Place this one here and place this one here, this one here. Rotate it, place it here and make it bigger. And go to this slide, go to here, make it this kind. Now select this shape and this shape. Go to Transition, click on Morph. Now let me go my first slide and watch the slideshow. This is looking perfect. You may adjust the font and the color. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.